So this is going to be the official unboxing of my surveillance system for my truck. So let's see what we got here. Trying to do it one-handed. Goes down like that. Oh wow, very interesting language. There's all the cables. Not bad. Looks like a power cable too. What do we have in here? And we've got the cameras. 4 high definition cameras. Right on. Let's take one out and have a look. Oh, here's another little trick. If you ever get these Ziploc bags and they're really hard to come apart, you can't get your fingers in there or whatever, one little trick is just to grab it like this and slide it. And it opens, in case you're interested. Also helps if you only have one hand, too. And there we go. Looking good. Can't wait to hook it up. And here we have the monitor system and the remote control. Inline fuse, very good. And we've got the destructions. Pretty simple. Hook this up to there, hook that up to there, and you're good. Alright, well there's the official unboxing. Let's have a gander at this. Nice little hood they got there too. On-off switch. All cable connections. Right on. Well, that's the unboxing of the new surveillance system for my truck.